Hi guys, good evening. Today in the evening, I got a message from a very dear friend of mine. She asked me, Sapna, why are humans so vulnerable? And then I started replying her, telling her that if you are not vulnerable, you are mechanical, you are behaving as everything is okay in your world, and you are mechanical and you are not being true to your own self. As and when I replied, I started thinking that. I really don't know what's her definition of being vulnerable. So I asked her, what do you, in the first place, mean by being vulnerable? And then she said that I will need to get on call with you to understand and make you understand what I am meaning to say here and what I want to know. And then I thought, let me make a video on why are humans so vulnerable and why it is important for all of us to be vulnerable. To be For me, vulnerability is something which allows you to expose yourself, which allows you to show your true self to the world, and which allows you to open your heart. Being vulnerable is being uh, being kind of understanding what you're going through, and also honoring your feelings, letting the world know that yes, there is something wrong with my world. I am feeling the pain, and I am hurt. It means being okay with being hurt, being painful, being in a state which you don't like, honoring your feeling and allowing it to be the way it is without acting that everything is okay. And this is something which can take you a step further in your journey towards discovering what that vulnerability can bring into your life. So many times we see people as like always perfect, always prim and proper, and always guarded, so which shows that everything is okay in their world and they are the perfect, like quote unquote the perfect self. But we need to understand it is good to be that way, but there is a lot which goes in everyone's life, and the more we honor and accept those feelings and understand that in this life everyone has their phases where we learn, we grow, we evolve, and there are phases when we feel the pain, we feel hurt, we experience emotion, disgust, failure. There are so many things as humans we go through, and once we start accepting them, we learn to uh, go on to the next step. So that is about being vulnerable, allowing yourself to be vulnerable without putting your guards on and mechanically showing that everything is fine with the world. So yesterday when I was washing the vessels, I have a habit of cleaning the vessels as and when they are there in the sink. Like I don't put them off for washing all of them together. If even if there are small quantity, I'll wash them and then keep them off. So I just started thinking about this with regard to our emotions. So if we let our emotions pile up, like today if I am feeling hurt, today I have sadness in my heart, and I try to put that feeling off to another day. So and then another day, and next day I have some kind of disappointment, next day I have some guilt, next day I have some other kind of emotion, and I don't address to it. Over time they become chronic and pent up. And if we feel that by putting off our emotions we are being better off, then we are surely mistaken, because we need to address them, we need to accept them, we need to let them in, we need to process them in the way that we are dealing with them, rather than putting off them for another date. So while washing my vessels, I was thinking that if I don't wash them on the go and just keep let them keep piling up, by the end of the day I will have a humongous amount of work to do, which will be difficult. And I will do it any which ways because I have to clean the kitchen, but it will be so much more difficult for me. Likewise it is with our emotions. So once they come, we try to get busy into something, try to let it on our food, try to talk too much or not address our feelings and put it off. What that does is, inside there is a work going on which with if we don't address our feelings, they become pent up over time, and they will come out, they will have a way out. We need to process our emotions one day or the other, so it's better that we address to them as and when they come, so that they don't get piled up and become pent up emotions. Chronic emotions are something which are very difficult to attend and honor at a later date. So when you are vulnerable, you allow yourself to feel those emotions, you allow yourself to be sad, be okay. The first step towards solving any problem is to be okay with the situation you are in, not resist it, not pretend that it does not exist, and learn to accept it, learn to honor it, and just get on with it, because it has a way of taking you forward in your life. So when I say being vulnerability is power, I mean that when you expose yourself, when you say that you are hurt, that you are not in a very good phase in your life, or something inside you is not going great, you allow yourself to be true to yourself, to be honest to your feelings, and learn to understand that somehow we all are here to serve our purpose, and in doing that we experience a lot of things which might not feel good, but they are there for a reason. So being vulnerable is a very good thing, in the sense that it will always take you ahead, and honoring your feeling is more important than anything else. I hope I have answered my friend's query, and if there is anything else, you can always ask me, and let me know how it feels sharing the videos and sharing my insights on my ideas on how I feel life is for all of us. Thank you, guys.